We'll guide you through how to upload documents to Google Drive. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to drive.google.com and sign into your Google account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, you'll see a big plus new button on the left side of the screen. Click on that button to reveal a drop-down menu. From there, choose File Upload to select individual files or Folder Upload if you're looking to upload entire folders. A file browser window will pop up, allowing you to navigate through your computer's files and folders. Select the document or folder you want to upload by clicking on it. Then click Open or Upload. You'll notice a small window in the bottom right corner of your screen showing the upload progress. Once the upload is complete, your document will appear in your Google Drive. You can also drag and drop files directly into your Google Drive window if you prefer. Just open your File Explorer, select the files, and drag them into the Google Drive webpage. For organizational purposes, you might want to create folders in Google Drive by clicking the plus new button and selecting Folder. Then name your folder and move your documents into it by dragging and dropping them. This way, you can keep your drive tidy and easy to navigate. If you need to share your document, right-click the uploaded file, select Share, and enter the email addresses of the people you'd like to share it with. Choose their permission level and click Send. That's it. You've successfully uploaded a document to Google Drive and even shared it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.